Let me show you some of the hottest niches and pandemic products you could be dropshipping right now. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. So in today's video, what I'm gonna be doing is revealing to you some of the hottest niches and what I like to call pandemic Shopify products that you could be dropshipping right now. Now, with the current situation that we're in, consumer spending behavior has changed drastically. But what it has done is it's opened up a massive opportunity for people, especially who are selling online. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you guys some of the hottest niches that you can jump into right about now, as well as revealing to you guys some potential products that you can start selling and drop shipping as well. But before I reveal what these Shopify products are, if you are new to the channel, make sure you do, of course, subscribe and make sure you drop a like on this video. And of course, make sure you comment down below because I will be replying to all of the comments. And of course, make sure you smash that notification bell so that you stay up to date with all of my latest videos. So, winning pandemic Shopify products. Now, one thing I do want to clear up really quickly is that yes, I am still dropshipping throughout the pandemic. Yes, I am still scaling products, and but however, I am using an agent, okay, and I'm not using AliExpress to fulfill these products. You can use AliExpress, however, what I would recommend is that you just be wary of the shipping times if you are using ePacket, okay? You can reach out to your supplier and see if they've got any alternative shipping lines that maybe they'd be able to use, but if not, and you are gonna test some of these products using AliExpress, just be wary of some of the shipping times, okay? But some of these, let's have first and foremost, let's have a look at some of these winning pandemic Shopify products. And if you haven't noticed, I am using a new set of slides. So if you like them, let me know in the comments down below. So first and foremost, of course, we have to understand that spending habits have changed, right? People nowadays are fighting over toilet roll. It's insane, but I've seen the videos on social media and people are going bonkers for toilet roll. Money's pretty much being spent on essentials only. It's like back to war times. People are only spending on, food, canned food, anything which is basically an essential. People are spending their money on. However, with that being said, online spending has increased significantly. Reason being, of course, people are at home. They've got more time on their hands. They're spending more time in front of their their laptops, their phones, tablets, whatever it may be. They're just able to consume more information and more adverts. Now, spending on vanity products and outdoor products has decreased. Of course, it's pointless buying beauty products to, look good and fake eyelashes and all those kind of things if you can't go out and show it off, right? Again, with outdoor products, people can't go camping, people can't go hiking. So, of course, those sorts of products has decreased. Now, spending on home-related products has increased. People need to fill the void of not being able to leave the home. Now, this is major key, and if you understand this, this is where you're going to be able to find, winning products that are going to take off, as of right now. Because, again, people can't go to the gym. So, they have to find a void or find something to be able to still go to the gym. Kids are not at school. They're going to get extremely bored if they can't go out and play on their bicycles and those kind of things. So, finding products that fill the void, okay, of them not being able to leave the home are major key. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you guys some of these top ones that are working really well right about now. So some of the top niches as of right now. Now, if you haven't, of course, home fitness is absolutely massive. And as I mentioned, people can't go to the gym. They can't get out. They can only just go for a run, one daily exercise out in the fresh air. So things such as gym equipment, ab rollers, yoga equipment, those kind of things at the moment in time are absolutely booming on Facebook. Now, another niche is kids entertainment. And what you got to remember is, like I mentioned on the previous slide, is that kids are not at schools across the world. So, of course, they're stuck at the house. So they're obviously either going to be on tablets, depending on their age. But really, young kids are just going to be playing with the same toys over and over again. So you can really start selling kids' toys and board games and stuff like that and pitching it as, have your kids, stay entertained throughout, not being able to go out or whatever it may be. Now, the third one is kitchen and homeware. People are spending a lot more time in the kitchen having to cook for themselves rather than going out to restaurants. So making cooking easy, fun, and engaging, finding a product that does that is going to, again, give you a leg up in terms of selling product. So cooking gadgets and also cleaning products as well are another major key. Now, I've put here bad niches. They're not bad niches as such because, again, you know, it doesn't mean that no one's making any money in these niches, because no doubt people are still making money in these niches, but they're less as consumed right now. So beauty, of course, like I've mentioned, people can't go out nowhere to look good. So your angle has to be different. And if you are selling beauty products, then it would be a case of, you know, pitching it as a way of, you know, can't you get to the salon anymore? No worries. Do a self-home pamper or whatever women call it, okay? Clothing and fashion. Again, people can't, if you're buying clothes, again, people can't go out to wear them and show them off to their friends. So it makes no sense of spending money on those things. Now, some subsections will work. Of course, essentials such as, again, I don't really recommend selling boxers or socks or anything like that unless they're in a passionate niche. But if they are, then those kind of things won't be as effective because they're still as daily essentials. Hopefully you guys will wear boxers and pants and socks and those kind of things. So the third one is, of course, outdoor activities. And again, people can't go out, like I previously mentioned. They can't go camping, they can't do hiking, they can't do outdoor activities. So it doesn't make sense to spend money on those types of products. Okay. Now, this is something from Stackline. I'm going to just really quickly breeze over this because I want to actually show you guys 5 winning products that you can dropship right now. Okay, but I'll leave a link to this in the description or something like that so you can find it. But basically, the top 100 fastest growing categories. And you can see here, if we start looking down, again, food, all essentials, soups, dried food, packaged food. But you can see here we've got weight training. And again, all these things are home supplies: dishwashing, paper towels, hand sanitizers, soap, pasta, food, vegetables, computer monitors. Why? Because people are spending more time at home and realizing that their computer monitors is trash, right? Again, fitness equipment, a plus 170% increase in searches. I think this is searches anyway, I may be wrong. But again, we've got other things: dog food, craft kits and projects. Why? Because again, activities have all been cancelled, right? Kids have to stay entertained. Hair coloring. People are just, I'm not sure why people are dyeing their hairs, but hey, you know, it's got an increase. And again, home ping pong, that's something else that could be big. And if you have a look at the worst really quickly again, because I want to show you guys these winning products that you can start drop shipping. Cameras, again, you need to take pictures outside. Event supplies, automotive maps. We've got camping equipment. As I mentioned, people can't go camping, so it doesn't make any sense. Golf, you have to play golf outside. And yeah, pretty much this just echoes what I've mentioned, and I'll leave a link to this so you can check it out in your own time down below, right? Now, a big warning, okay? Please, please, please do not sell any products relating to the virus. And when I say that, I mean things such as hand sanitizers, hand sanitizers, stuff like the masks. Please leave those face masks alone. Hand sanitizers I've already mentioned, bleaches and those kind of things, because you will get banned. Shopify will take you off the platform, they'll shut your store down, and also Facebook will just ban your ad accounts and probably restrict your advertising, okay? So don't sell those kind of products, please. That's just a warning, right? Now, let's have a look at some of these pandemic products. So the first one is I want to show you guys is this aerial machine here, and it's aerial yoga, some sort of aerial yoga hammock. Again, I don't do yoga, don't know how it works, but nevertheless, people can't get to yoga anymore. So, you know, being able to do it at home is great. It's fantastic. It makes sense. And this product is absolutely crushing it. You can see here, started on May the 26th, and it's got 5,000 likes, 1,700 comments on it, and I can't see the shares. Yeah, I can't see the shares, but no doubt a lot of shares. And if you have a look here, they're selling it for $58, pretty much $60. Okay, not the best looking website that I've seen, but hey, they seem to be doing well. And if we have a look on AliExpress, we can see here that this Shopify product, this AliExpress product, is around about $33. So there is margin there. However, it's not a fantastic margin if I'm being perfectly honest. I would personally probably sell the product for a higher price and have a really great bottom of funnel, a middle of funnel retargeting structure in place to sell high ticket products like this. Okay, and first and foremost, of course, you want to make sure that these are a top brand, of course, so you can see that they've been advertising for a long time. But that's one product that you can sell, and it fits in with those niches. So looking on to our next one. Now, this is a very old product. I'm talking about this product is probably near saturation in terms of selling it, but not like, but what I mean by is like right now. So right now there's an offer to sell this, there's an opportunity to sell this product, even though it could be classed as a quote unquote saturated product, is what I'm trying to say. Because of course kids are, you know, look, even the ad copy has been tweaked. Kids are getting healthy and ditching electronics. So they've kind of tweaked their ad copy in a way. Again, not the fantastic ad copy if I'm being perfectly honest. But nevertheless, I'll show you what the product is. So you can see it's that boxing product. Kids can use it at home, in their garden, etc. And let's just have a look at some of the results here. We've got 10,000 likes on this thing since the 12th of March, so last month. And we've got 1,800 comments on this product. Okay, again, this is a product that's been sold many of times, but now, okay, it presents you the opportunity to sell this kind of product, right? If we have a look at the website, again, not the most fantastic, prettiest website that I've seen again, but hey, they're selling it for $14. They're upselling here in the variants, which is good. And if we have a look on AliExpress, we can see that this product is extremely cheap. Okay, they've got different colors, tennis balls, the headband, and multi, whatever it may be. So, you know, that is another product that you can sell out. And again, it falls into the kind of both of those niches. So like keeping kids entertained and also fitness as well. It depends on the angle that you wanted to use. You could then target people who are just into boxing, okay, and use videos of people boxing, men or women using the product, or your angle could be for kids. And that's one of the main things that separates good marketers from the bad marketers, right? Is being able to pick an angle for a specific product and then targeting them on Facebook. Because as I've mentioned, your targeting strategy would be different depending on the angle that you choose, right? So let's continue on. And as you can see here, this product is a all-in-one vegetable slicer. Okay, and again, this is a fantastic product because more people are spending time at home. They're having to cook for themselves, and being able to cook easily, you know, cooking whatever they're cooking here, some sort of vegetables or whatever it may be. Having that done quicker and speeding up that process is going to appeal to a lot of people at home who have to cook for themselves. Okay. And of course, we've got a quote down here. Someone's used it, old product, but blades are still sharp and works, right? If we have a look, they're selling this product for £26, which in dollars, if I just do a refresh, let's see what it flashes up as, $32. Okay, and if we have a look on AliExpress, we can see that it's only $12. Okay, so they've got more than enough margin inside of this product. They're pretty much 3x in the product price, which is good. Okay, and if you are using an agent or you do start getting some sales, then you could definitely drop down this price to get it around about, again, depends how good they are, but you could definitely drop this price and have more margin on the product. And again, they've got the video here. This is probably the same video actually. So yeah, they're exactly just using the same video from the supplier and they're crushing it. So well done to those guys. So another product, again, we've got 2 more products to show you guys. And again, if you are getting some value from this video, please do drop a like on this video, okay? And of course, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, okay? So this product here, we've got a kids rocket launcher. And if I just show you how it works, it's just kids, they press it and it goes up, etc. So we've got 5,000 likes on this product and we've got 800 comments on it, and it was launched on the 25th of March. So what's that, like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, which is good indication here. Someone says, we have this, my 7-year-old granddaughter loves it. Looks like a great toy for Benj, whoever Benj is, probably this woman's daughter or something. But as you can see, it still works and it's a good product, right? If we have a look at the website really quickly, we can see they're charging $26 for this product, which is probably a little bit high for this product, depending on how much it costs on AliExpress. Let's have a look. So $5, they're making more than enough profit on this product. Like, what's that? 4xing on the product, 4-5xing on the product. So more than enough margin inside of the product to sell this product. So again, something that works well and will definitely keep kids entertained either at home or they could use it in their back garden, right? So final product here, and we'll have a look. So it's launched on the 28th of March, and basically a back scrubber, so you can scrub your back without, everyone knows how hard it is to scrub your back in the bath, in the shower. And we can see here, we've got 37,000 likes on this product and 3,400 comments. Like we see here, if we scroll down, ordered 2 today, we'll see, got to have it, I have a fabric one, etc. Why so many ugly colors, etc, etc. But if we have a look for how much they're selling the product for, $18, and how much does it cost? $4.70. So not fantastic margins inside of the product, but nevertheless, you can still make this product work. And again, more people are going to be at home. Anything which is home related, like I've mentioned, and any of those niches that I've mentioned today are really going to help you make more sales as of right now. And CPMs are insanely cheap, okay? So the final point I just want to say to you guys, right, is this. Leave you with a value bomb, of course. So if you are, one thing I recommend that you do is tweak your creatives and product pages around being stuck at home. And this is something that we've done across all of our products, is making sure that the ad copy ties in with the product page ad copy, the product page description, sorry, and the ad copy. And we've seen an uplift in add to cart ratios and conversion rates, right? But one thing I will mention is, please don't mention anything about virus in your ad copy. Please don't mention anything about that word there and that word there. I'm not going to say those words because I don't want this video to be demonetized, but you know exactly what I'm talking about, okay? So hopefully you got some value from this video. If you did, make sure, of course, you do drop a like on this video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and also drop a comment down below. Let me know how are things going for you in this pandemic, and also let me know which of these products you would potentially test out. Hit me up on Instagram, drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a comment, and we can try and connect on there. And if you do want to learn from me personally, then make sure you check out my course Ecom Beast 2.0. The link for that will be down below. And also I am bringing out a free ebook very, very soon. It's pretty much 99% done. I know that I have mentioned it before, but it is done, and I'll be giving it to you guys for 100% free very, very soon. So that is it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you later.